Good morning, y'all. We've got the morning munchies here at Mama's house today.
Yes, we do. We got the breakfast munchies.
Moving on, I'm going to show you something. This is something from our second book, and when I say that, I mean Jamie and me. Peaches and cream muffins is one of them.
Peaches and cream muffins. I love it. That sounds like right up my alley.
You ready?
Yeah, put me to work, son.
All right. How about a couple of cups of self-rising flour?
Okay. Self-rising. So we're not going to have to add any baking powder or soda.
Right. A cup of sour cream. We're going to whisk all this together. And a quarter cup of that sugar, please.
So these are not going to be overly sweet.
No, not really.
Sounds delicious. All right,
The
now you've got some peaches over here, Bobby. You want me to drain them?
Drain those.
All right, we're using like a 15-ounce can.
I'm going to cut them into about quarter-inch pieces.
Okay. I'll do that for you. Could you substitute with fresh peaches, Bobby?
Yes, ma'am.
You know, I was over at Jamie and Brooks the other night. They invited me to dinner. And at the end of the meal, Brooke said, Paula, would you stay for cobbler? I said, are you making the Lady and Sons cobbler? And she said, yes. I said, I think I might can stay. And she used a jarred peach that was in the juice
I know
section.
exactly what you're talking about.
Those worked beautifully, too.
Didn't make any difference in the taste?
No, it was delicious. It was like that peach was so fresh.
And I'm gonna need about 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
I'm gonna put these back in the little strainer.
Yeah, because we've got our butter over here that we gotta go to.
Okie doke, I'm gonna wash my hands so that syrup's got me all sticky.
Will you add that butter for me?
You know it, honey.
That are 2 sticks of butter.
That we agree on.
Yes.
2 sticks of butter.
You're right.
I love it.
Try to get this together without sloshing it all over myself. All right, add the peaches for me, please. It's perfect.
Okay, son.
All right.
Oh, I like the way those look, Bobby.
Yeah.
I like the way your dough looks.
It's perfect.
Oh my gosh.
You ready to bake them?
Those are fabulous tasting.
They are great.
So buttery.
Very, very, very buttery. All right, you ready to bake them?
Bobby, I like, if I'm working with a thicker batter, I like filling my muffin tins up with a scoop.
Yeah, and that is a thick batter.
There you go.
They look pretty even and pretty good to me.
Oh, so buttery.
So into the oven with these.
Okay. How long are we gonna bake them for?
All right, into the oven they go at 350 for about half an hour, 35 minutes, and they'll be perfect.
That sounds good.
All right, Mom, if you'll pull our muffins out,
Okay.
they should be just about perfect.
Well, you know, Bobby, now I drink my tea sweet. Is there any sugar? Or am I just supposed to throw a muffin down in there?
We can dress it whenever we get it over there if you want to add some sugar. Let's taste it first. What you think?
Okay.
And see.
Bobby, these muffins are spectacular, son.
They look great.
They look like a cross between a biscuit and a muffin. Those look really good, son. Look at there.
Those look good.
Well, come on down here and let's taste
All right.
one of these muffins hot out of the oven.
Ooh, shoot ya.
What a way to start a day with one of your children.
Wow.
What you doing? You tearing
having
up
a
your
minute.
muffin. I'm gonna take mine and I'm gonna smear me just a little butter. You know, I highly recommend to mamas and daddies out there to take time to spend time individually with your children and not share them with anybody but yourself. And I've had such a wonderful time waking up to Bobby walking in my kitchen.
Well, I love you, Aunt Georgia,
Because,
too.
you know, he's a grown man now and he has his own pad. Bobby,
You never outgrow your mom.
that is delicious. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.